centre files affidavit in Delhi High Court in response to a plea seeking PM care funds to be declared as state under the Constitution of India. Now, submitting that PM care funds is not created under the Constitution of India or by any law made by the Parliament or by any state legislature, Centre has now emphasized that there is no control of either the central government or any state governments, either direct or in indirect way, now in functioning of the trust in any manner whosoever, quote unquote. To give us more inputs on this, here I am joined by my colleague Neelashish on the phone line. Neelashish, some breaking news which is coming in right now that the centre has filed an affidavit in Delhi High Court in response to the plea seeking PM care funds to be declared as state under the Constitution of India. But what's more to it? Please take us through. Over to you, Neelashish.
Well, yes, the Prime Minister's office has told the Delhi High Court that the PM Cares Fund is not a fund of the Government of India and it cannot be labelled a public authority. So the PMO has clearly stated that the PM Cares Fund is not a state under Article 12 of the Constitution and does not constitute a public authority under RTI Act. Now, it has been stated in this affidavit that the PM Cares Fund has been set up as a charitable, public charitable trust and that it is not created by or under the Constitution of India or the Parliament or any kind of state legislature. This is also being stated by the centre or the PMO rather, that this trust is neither intended to be or in fact owned, controlled or substantially financed by the government, nor any instrumentality of the government. Now, what is being said clearly is that the contributions that come into PM Cares Fund are only through voluntary donations by individuals and institutions. It's also been stated that the contributions that flow out of budgetary resources of the government or from the balance sheets of the public sector undertakings are not accepted. Therefore, it is not a public authority and it is not based on a fund from the Government of India, as what the PMO tells the High Court, and clearly opposing this petition that has been filed to declare this particular trust as a state under the Constitution. Let's not forget that this matter is still before the court, and this response from the PMO comes after a one-page reply had been filed earlier by the centre, wherein the High Court did express its dissatisfaction and said that the government needs to take this petition a little more seriously and therefore file a detailed response. Now, of course, this detailed response has been filed, and the petitioners in this case have in fact concluded their arguments. Now the court is waiting for the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to come and argue this matter orally.
Okay. All right, Neelashish, thanks a lot for joining us live with all those details.